Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is a DIY planner. It has an ARC cover, the Happy Planner disc, and the inserts on the inside are inserts that I designed and print and cut myself. Before I get started, I wanted to show you this set of inserts. It's the February dated insert. It's available to Patron Elite members only. It is now available over at Patreon, but you must be a Patron Elite to get this. And this is what it looks like. It's dated. We have vertical layout, and I have a variety of sizes. If you don't see the size that you like, you are welcome to ask and I will add it for you. But I think I have pretty much all of the sizes available. So that's what it looks like. And again, this is the February insert. The January insert is still available and March is coming soon. So I'll be punching this and adding it into my catch-all. It's getting kind of thick, see? So I probably need to clean some things out. I finally took out the Christmas paper from this reusable pocket here in the front. So once I decide what kind of look I want, here we go. So once I decide what look I want for this planner, then I will add that back in. That's my. And I also wanted to share that we have a weekly planner challenge going on in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. This week is week 4 and the prompt is cold blue, so that's what I'll be planning this week. But if you're interested in joining the challenge, go over to the group and check it out. We have all the prompts for the whole year, so this is all the prompts, so you can prepare and be ready. We're still working in the January insert. Let's see here. This is last week's spread, which was, the prompt was Planner Girl Glam. So that's that, and I will link to the plan with me for that in the iCard up above. So this week we're working on the 20th through the 26th. And oh, I got a little washi tape hangover up there. Oh well, I might trim that off. Okay, so let's move this over. So for cold blue, I pulled out these washis to work with, and I pulled out this doll from JD in Brooklyn, and this Wal-Mart Sticker Book. This is the one that has all the blue stickers in it. So let's get started. First, I want to divide my pages into 3, like the typical Happy Planner. So let's see. So there's 37 lines. I'm going to use this skinny washi. Okay, so you get a little more space at the bottom. So do I want to put it up there or here? There or here? I think I want to put it at the top, at the very top. See what stickers. I have an appointment on Wednesday, so Do I want to use this weekend? Let's hold off on that. Okay, I think that's it for there. I still got the weekend sticker to put down. Let's see what I have in my word stickers. Let's see. Crafting by the pound. Let's see. Run errands. Ooh. Clean CPAP. Do that on Thursday. Run errands on Saturday. MLK Day is Monday. I need to add a sticker for that. And the calendar book from Agenda 52. I was supposed to be using this specifically for my Dollar Tree planner, but the Martin, but it's gold. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's see what I got in my Chrissy Ann Designs books. Should have something silver. There it is. Move the post office sticker down some. Let's put that down here. Guess it doesn't matter. I'll remember to do it. Let's see what's in 1, 2, 3, 4. Make today the best day ever. Do I want to take up the whole space with that? I guess I do, because there's really nothing going on Tuesday, and I probably would never use this anywhere else, so let's go for it. Probably be sorry for that later, but let's do something different. Okay. So let's go ahead and, ooh, I didn't use half of my washi. I didn't make any flowers. Maybe I'll use some of it throughout the week. We'll see. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic, where you can, of course, get this printable dated insert in whatever size you need. But check us out over there for exclusive content and digital downloads. Also, visit my other site, Journal Life's Journey, where I do live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.